Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at 5 upcoming design resources currently in beta. First on the list is Microsoft Designer. Now, Microsoft Designer is an AI-powered visual design tool that enables you to create beautiful social media posts, digital postcards, and other things. Microsoft launched this app to compete with Canva, which is one of the most famous design tools out there. I am positive Microsoft Designer is going to be another AI to text image generator. According to Microsoft, with Designer, you can instantly generate a variety of consistent, aligned, appropriately scaled and stunning designs, even with or without any natural design ability. In fact, looking at their presentation on their website, I'm actually impressed, but let's wait and see. Moving on, we have Apply. Apply is a wireframing tool for mobile apps. With Apply, you can quickly and easily create high-quality wireframe for your mobile apps. It includes all the features you need to create stunning wireframes, including a library of pre-built templates and components, and also support for collaboration to speed up your design process. Up next is Dex. Dex is a presentation app with a design-focused approach that makes it easier to create excellent presentations, pitch decks, mood boards, and many other types of presentations. Deck's core features are informed by how people interact and consume content today. For instance, people working in business settings still need a more traditional style of presentation tool. However, people in the creative industry confront various issues and need toolkits specifically designed for their needs, and Deck does exactly that. Next is Lottie Lab. Lottie Lab is an open source animation tool which I'm eager to try. As designers, creating and including intricate animations in our apps is challenging and sometimes time-consuming. With Lottie Lab, you can produce After Effects animation in real time, which makes it possible for Android, iOS, and React Native apps to use animations just as readily as static assets. Finally, Cycle. Cycle is a product management tool that gathers customers' insights from various sources, links them to workflows for delivering products, work with others on product initiatives, and closes the loop with customers at each release. Cycle is an up-and-coming product, and we at Let's UI believe it can be a potential game changer for product teams. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. Bye.